Hello guys, my name is Tech Doctor, and today I want to show you how you can be easily hacked using web keyloggers. As you can read here, keyloggers are activity monitoring software programs that give hackers access to your personal data, the passwords and credit card numbers you type, the web pages you visit, or by logging your keyboard strokes. I want to show you a simple example of how a hacker can get all your passwords without you understanding anything. So let's imagine that you are a user of a certain site and you are not able to log into your account. The first thing you will do is you will try several passwords, and when you are trying several passwords, this hacker can capture every activity you are doing, everything you are typing, every key you are pressing. They can capture that. So if you try to type more other passwords, the hacker will keep collecting that data in just a simple text file. I'll show you. For example, this is a text file here. It is empty right now. It is empty, but when we type here, you will see. So what can be done is that as you are typing here, the text is being saved somewhere. Everything you are typing is being saved somewhere. So if you are tempted to write multiple passwords to try whether you are the one who has forgotten passwords, you will actually be giving the passwords to someone without your knowledge. I'm giving you this knowledge because I know it is not common, and the Minister of ICT said that the media should be giving people knowledge about these things, and I want to give you knowledge about how these things can happen to you and why the kind of sites you should visit and others which you should not visit. So let me show you. For example, if I try to write like this, then I try to enter a password. Let me say like 1 2 3 4. Let me show the password here. You can see, and then I try to log in. You see, this file is this site is telling me that I have entered incorrect email or password. The first thing a user will be tempted to do is to try another password or to repeat the same password. So they will just try again. Let me show you. Then let us write another password like one, like that. Then they try to log in again. Another time they are told that incorrect email or password. They will try another password like this. Then let us say just like, I hope you are getting the password, so that when we check that we see if the passwords have been saved. Then they click login and they are told incorrect email or password. Let us check if our keylogger has been capturing everything we have been typing without our knowledge. So you see this is the first entry. The password is this one, 1 2 3 4, and this is the second entry. Let me show you. Second entry, this one, we entered this one, and this is the third entry. We can try another one. For example, we can try with another email. For example, let's see the and we enter a password like 6789. Let me show like that. It is not a must we click here. It is not a must. So if if it is not a must you click here, because they are capturing everything you are typing without even clicking any button. So let's check if that data is there. You see, it is this one. That is how hackers can get your data very easily without you understanding anything which is happening. So the easiest way to prevent this kind of data theft is, number one, is to ensure that you are visiting sites which have security. So you should ensure that the sites you are visiting, number one, they are secured. They can tell you is the connection is secure. You see, yes, that is one thing you should be able to check if the connection is secure, number one. Number two is just repeat the same password you are typing at first, and if you are not sure, you can change your password, because changing password is very easy. Instead of you continuing to enter all your passwords, you will give data thieves your data, and your privacy might be compromised very easily. You can even find yourself giving them all your logins details without your knowing, logins to every kind of site without your knowing. And these hackers, they have time to test things. They work smart, so they can test all that data. Even if you enter 1,000,000 times, they'll test it in very many sites, and sometimes you can fall a victim. So kindly ensure the sites you are visiting are extremely secure, and they should even be having a badge to show who was given the SSL certificates. So that is enough for today, and I will continue giving you some more knowledge on how these hacking things happen. Okay, let me see you in the next video.